welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. So today we are looking at one logical question now. So the question is, if x square minus 16 by x equal to 12, where x is not equal to 4, then find the value of x into x plus 1 into x plus 3 into x plus 4. So as you are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try it. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. So here, how to solve this problem? We are going to see this in two methods. One is general method, another one is shortcut method. Second method is shortcut. Up to the end, you watch the video. So here, first general method. So first of all, what is given? So given x square minus 16 by x is equal to 12. So here you can write taking LCM x cube minus 16 is equal to 12. So here you can write x cube minus 12x minus 16 equal to 0. Now you are getting a cubic equation. So by trial and error in the cubic equation, 1 won't go, 2 it is not going. So I am taking x is equal to 4. By trial and error x equal to 4. So 4 cube minus 12 into 4 minus 16. 64 minus 48 minus 16. So here you are getting 64 minus 64, you are getting 0. So here the remaining factor you find by Horn's method. So here 1, 0, minus 12, minus 16. So here 4, 0. Okay, here 1, 4 ones 4, again 4, 4 4s are 16. Here 4, 4 4s are 16, plus 16 you are getting 0. So here you are getting x minus 4 into x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. So here given x is not equal to 4. X is not equal to 4. In the problem it is given that x is not equal to 4. So this can written as, second one can written as x minus x plus 2 whole square equal to 0. X plus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2. So if you substitute the values here, what is required? X into x plus 1 into x plus 3 into x plus 4. So here minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2 plus 4. So minus 2 minus 1 1 2. So the answer is 4. So the value of x into x plus 1 into x plus 3 into x plus 4 is 4. So here model 2, second model. So here the logic will be there. So here what is given? X square minus 16 by x equal to 12. So here you have to adjust. X square minus 4 equal to 16 by x plus 8. So here 12 is written as 8 plus 4. So 4 is going that side. Minus 4 here you are writing 16 plus 8. So here you can apply the formula a plus b into a minus b. So here if you take LCM, 16 plus 8x will get. So here x plus 2 into x minus 2. Here you can take 8 common. Here you'll get x plus 2 by x is equal to 0. So here you can take x plus 2 common. X plus 2 into x minus 2 minus 8 by x equal to 0. So here it is not possible. So here x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. So here what is required? X into x plus 1 into x plus 3 into x plus 4 minus 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into minus 2 plus 3 minus 2 plus 4. So here you'll get minus 2 into minus 1 into 1 into 2. So you are getting the answer 4. So I hope you understood the video more. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.